Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Goals. So today in this video I'll be checking out a website which said to be one of the best website that they claim to be the best to pay a good amount of money for doing simple tasks like surveying. So stay till the end guys, I will try to expose a lot of information about this website. Make sure you stay till the end, and without dragging we'll start off with the video. And this is the website paidera.com, where they claim to give you a lot of money for doing simple tasks like attending a survey and doing simple tasks, uploading videos, something like that. So they just said in their website, and they claim that they are the number one and best website to give a huge amount of money for doing this simple task. I'll be checking out by creating an account myself. I'll show you everything. So before doing that, I'm just checking off with the surveys that they are providing, whether it's true or not. So these are the surveys. They provide various categories as far as I know. See, there are so many categories out there. I don't know whether it's true or not. I'll be checking it now. Okay, fine. We'll start off with creating an account. They provide around $0.25, $0.05, and way less and way high. We'll see. I'm going to create an account. I'll show you everything that I do in this video. I'll also show you some payment information and threshold, everything. I'm going to create an account guys. If you want to test, you can also do that. I'm not going to provide any referral link to this website and all, because I don't believe in these earning money with surveys, but I just want to show you if it is legit or not. I'll also be uploading quite few website reviews like this, so make sure you subscribe to this channel. So here guys, I have created my account. By just signing up I got $0.5. Now we'll just do some task or surveys, and let's see whether we can earn money or not. I think I will go about with survey, because I think surveys is easy. Yeah, this is what we saw in the first part, right? So I'll just click on with some survey. We'll just see whether we can take up any survey. So guys, even if you want, you can also try, but have it in mind that never ever you can see guys, just check up this one. They are asking for 65 referrals in order to attend the survey. Look at this. Most of this surveys is like that. We need 95 referrals to get into that survey and earn money. What the hell? Oh my god, they're asking for 40 referrals and all. Only few surveys are actually free, and we can just do without any referrals. So I think this itself is a huge red flag that we have to look out for. So this one I am able to attend. I'll just show you whether I am gaining any money or not. I'll be showing you half of the survey, because most of it's like repetitive and quite boring. I don't want to bore you guys, so I'll just show you a gist of what all questions they are asking and whether I'm able to pass the survey or not. So guys, the survey thing itself is like, you have to get a lot of people into this by giving your referral link and making a lot of people signing up, so that you will be able to attend few surveys itself. So that itself is not great as far as I know. And look at here, every question has a lot of ads in between the answer and clicking continue. Between question, answer and continue, you have so much of ads. So I have to tell you that they are trying to earn money by this one, not just because of attending the survey. You attending the survey, they will get paid. They are also using another strategy like this one. Whenever you are going to answer a new question, it's probably, we are humans, right? So we'll mistakenly click on to any one of these ads, and they will get paid for that. So that is what the whole idea of this website, I think. See, that's why they are keeping this much amount of ads. See, look at this. This is so annoying. So much amount of ads throughout this survey thing. And also this survey, I think it took me around 15 minutes for just answering around 8 questions or 10, I don't remember. So in this process I was very keen that I should not touch any of these ads, and I didn't even touch or didn't even click any one of them. I was sure about it. And also one more thing that I really wanted to say as an issue kind of, because many of these questions didn't even have none of the above or something else to skip that question, right? Because if three answers weren't perfect for you, or you don't like those answers that doesn't suit you, then you should have one option to at least click on none of the above, right? See, these and all, they provide some random four answers that, god, I don't know. So I completed that survey. It was around 15 questions and I earned $0.07. See, it's credited in my account. First I had 0.5, now it's 0.57. Now I'll just see whether I'm able to do this one. I'll just see whether I'm able to take the survey. I'll check it out. And also I'll be checking out Polefish. There is one more option where we can earn money, they said. There is also another option where we can earn money by uploading videos. So we'll see Polefish now. So here we have to give our personal information, I think, because Polefish mostly, even in Swagbucks, it asked me some personal information to confirm whether we are giving some random answers or not. Because once we give some personal information in the starting, if you are going to give some fake information in the surveys in between, they will right then they will close the survey and we won't get reward or anything. If you haven't checked in my Swagbucks review and video, I'll just link it in the cards above or in the description box below. You can check that one. I think Swagbucks is legit and good. It's not like this one. This is having lots of ad in between the surveys. I really hate that, and most of them are asking for referrals. So great, we didn't get into Polefish. There is no survey. I'm going to try anyone of this one. Anyone from this one, and I think lots are locked with referrals, because we need around 40 minimum 40 referrals to 65 referrals to get the high paying survey, like $0.40 and all. We need around 80 referrals. I don't think it is possible. That's a huge amount. That is really huge. So this one is allowing me without any referral. For $0.15 I can earn if I'm going to complete this survey. So I'll also be doing this one. I'll show you at the end whether I'm earning or not. So guys, there is also another option in earning money, like uploading videos. In that video you have to tell good about them, and you have to review them as they are good, they are best, and they also have given some script that you have to tell in between. Do you think that is really a good way to promote a site when it is actually not? I don't like to do fake reviews and all, because I'm going to earn money, and that too, the money that I'm going to earn by uploading those fake videos is really low, and it's not right faking people around. These surveys are taking hell a lot of time. I really don't know when I'm going to finish this one. So I'll just fast forward it for you guys. So guys, I end up getting that survey also. I earned a lot. Now Polefish didn't even give me anything till now. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. And moving on with the other one, see, this is the screen which I have got after attending that food and taste survey. So I got $0.5 which is credited to my account. So I refreshed the page. Now I have earned a bit. I'll also be showing you payment threshold and other things attached to this website. I will also try to do another survey. And meanwhile, I have to tell you guys that I heard a bit from this people doing these surveys, trying to earn money from this website. I heard from them that this website will block you or ban you. I can say they will ban you if you are not going to be regular and you are not going to visit this website frequently. So they won't give you any warning messages and all. They will straight away ban your access to this website, and all the money you have earned will be totally gone forever. So make sure you're very cautious, and it will take ever for you to earn for the threshold that I'm going to tell you now. So this is the video that you have to upload to YouTube. I think talking about Paidara is really good, and happy that you are earning money with this website, blah blah blah. And I don't know whether people can actually make from this one. And this is payment reviews. This one is payment reviews, guys. So I'm not sure whether this is actually legit. Payment reviews are actually legit, and they have already given a lot of payment reviews. I will also be checking whether I'm able to give a review without even transferring a penny from this one. We'll just see whether we are able to give it or not. That way we can find it out whether it's legit or scam. So I'll click on to submit review. I'll be clicking on to that. So this is one review from a guy named Naveen from India. As far as I know, I won't be doing those video tutorial and making fake videos and all. I won't be doing that. And task and all, I have forgotten to tell you guys that task is also like a bit boring only. You have to do some search in website and get some informations. I don't think I'll be doing that one and all. If you want, you can try it out. I'll just show you whether I'm able to submit a review without even getting anything from this website, like fake reviews. Am I able to do any fake review and all? I'll be checking now. The website is loading. So I'm not able to do any review and all because I haven't earned anything from this website. I haven't transferred any amount. Okay, as far as I know, this is a bit okay. I think it's legit. This is not scam, this is legit. But look at this one. This is where I really wanted to tell you guys. For transferring $20 to your account, you need at least 150 referrals, which is really huge and lot of time it will take. And for $30 you don't need referrals. But think about earning $30. I have just earned $0.7 for around 2 to 3 hours, and it will take forever to even reach that target of $30 and all. And I don't know, guys, you have to think before doing this one. I think this is actually a legit website, but then referring a lot of people and earning money is really going to take you a lot more than you think. So I think it's a waste of time. As far as I know, if you are going to even leave your account for a few weeks, I think you will get banned. So that's all, guys. That's all my review is. So it's legit, but it will take you forever to even earn a single dollar from this one website. You can earn even from any geographical location. So if you want, you can try it out, but I don't recommend this one because referring a lot of people, I don't really think it's going to work. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, please smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. If you have any doubts, or if you have tried this and if you haven't earned anything, just comment it below, and we'll just see in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.